we come. Well, I remember when I was just children, a time when people used to treat their neighbors like a fellow man. Them all-day singing and them big prayer meetings, when a man was proud to walk up and shake his neighbor's hand. Lord, you talk about the good times, talk about the good times. Oh, if you ever needed help, a friend was there. Some good neighbor help lift your burdens. Oh, and the simple joys of life your friends would share. But the times are harder and the people are changing. Today most folks couldn't tell you who the next door neighbors are. All the guns are loaded, the front